feels good to be honest.
One,
You admit
go
that
with
you
me, go
want
with me.
this. Nobody knows it except for you. When you lie there on your deathbed, you were red, but you kept quiet.
Are you ready, guys?
Straight up.
1, 2, 3, catch it!
Tell me, friend, can't you see you're in love with me? It's obvious we are that perfect match. Ain't no catch. You and I will make it last. Place your bet on me and everything will be alright. Take a chance, ain't no risk. You and I won't hit and miss. Give yourself to me and we'll be more than friends for life. So, what's it gonna be? You gotta give me something. What's it gonna be? Are we gonna do this or not? I really need to know if you're in or out. You don't have to say the words, just look in my eyes. Tell me, friend, oh, can't you see what you mean to me? It's I don't know where we are, baby. We've been holding on for so long. Are you counting our days now, baby? Is the vibe still there, still strong? I don't know what to say, baby. It don't feel like you wanna talk. Or is it just me being crazy?
It's easy.
I'm lost. Yeah, I can't help but lose it. Worry about the future. You know, people change. That's how love can be confused. What if we go up in flames? What if we don't? But I know you care when I see you stare with the same look in your eyes that you used to have when we met way back and fell in love for the first time. It's so stupid how
don't remember you doing that, dude. Yeah.
I can't believe I just done that.